Today, I'm going to walk you through a super handy skill, converting a VOB video file into an MP4 using VLC Media Player. If you've ever tried to share a DVD video or play it on your phone, tablet, or even upload it online, you know that VOB files can be kind of a hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a much more portable, flexible MP4 version of your video, ready to use anywhere. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll need to download or have a VOB file on your computer. If you're ripping a DVD, those VOB files are typically inside the Video TS folder. Just make sure you know where they're located. If you're working with a sample file you found online, save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Having your file ready ensures the process goes smoothly from the get-go. Now, open up VLC Media Player. If you don't already have VLC installed, it's completely free and works on pretty much every operating system. VLC isn't just for playing videos, it's an awesome multi-purpose tool, including file conversions. So fire that up. Here's a quick shortcut. Press Ctrl and R at the same time on your keyboard. This pops up VLC's Open Media window, which is where the magic starts. It's like the control panel for bringing in different types of media. So take a second to get familiar with it. Next, look for the Add button in this window and give it a click. Navigate to your VOB file. Remember where you saved it earlier? Maybe it's on your desktop or in a special folder. Select the file and then you'll see it appear in the list within the window. If you ever end up wanting to batch convert several files, this is where you'd add them all at once. Now here's an important step. Next to the Convert Save button at the bottom, there's a little drop-down arrow. Don't miss it. It's easy to overlook, but it'll bring up a crucial option. Click that arrow and select Convert. This tells VLC that you want to change the file format, not just play the video. Now you'll be in the conversion window. Here's where you choose your output format. Under Profile, you can pick either Video, H.265 plus MP3, MP4, or Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. Both are great for most situations. H.264 is widely compatible and works almost everywhere. H.265 is a bit newer and can offer smaller file sizes with similar quality, perfect if you're planning to save space but keep good video quality. Unless you have a specific reason, H.264 is usually a safe bet. Next, decide where you want VLC to save your new MP4 file. Click the Browse button and choose a destination folder. Again, I recommend something easy to find, perhaps your desktop or a dedicated Converted Videos folder. Give your file a recognizable name so you know what it is later. All set? Go ahead and hit Start. VLC will now get to work converting your VOB file into MP4. This part might take a few moments depending on your computer's speed and the size of your video, so don't worry if it's not instant, just let it run. You can even watch the progress in VLC's play bar if you're curious. Once it's done, head over to the folder you picked earlier and look for your new MP4 file. Double check that it plays smoothly. You should have a video file that's way easier to share, edit, or play on all your devices. And that's it. You've just transformed a tricky VOB file into a versatile MP4 using VLC, all right from your own computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more practical how-tos. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!